Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Advanced Learning Center. Please go through the playlist to know about the better about the videos of my channel. This is the disclaimer of my videos. Please go through this. Today we are going to discuss about the Analog Electronics 1 subject code 405 semester 4. This question paper was came in the year 2022 Assam Polytechnic examinations and semester examination. Myself Darsha Ali Sheikh. Contents of this today's video is in Analog Electronics 2 question paper of 2022. First part, solution of AE2 part A, solution of question number 1, solution of question number 2, solution of question number 3, choose the correct answer. So this is the question paper and semester examination 2022 semester 4th, subject code ET405, Analog Electronics 2, total marks is 100. Total duration is 3 hours and there are two parts, part A and part B. Part A is 25 marks. First one is filling the blanks, choose the true or false, and second one is choose the correct. So here is the first is there are 10 questions, fill in the blanks. Here is the question number 2, write true or false. Here is also 10 questions are there. So this is was short term questions. So here is question number 3, that is called choose the correct answer. Here is 5 multiple choice questions are there. So each and every questions we are going to discuss about in our next slide, in our upcoming slide. So this is part B. There are 45 marks are there. Out of all these questions, we student have to answer any 5 questions. So question number 4 here is I have to answer any 5 and it contains 3 marks. And question number 5, any 5, here is also 6 marks each questions. Next, so here 15 and 30, that means total 45 marks. So now coming to our solution, question number 1, fill in the blanks. So see the first question, double tone amplifier containing 2 dash circuit. So double tone amplifier containing 2 inductively coupled to tune circuit. So there should be used a 2 inductively coupled circuit are used in double tone amplifier. Question number 2, in a negative feedback amplifier, voltage gain of the amplifier is dash of the signal frequency. That means in negative feedback amplifier, voltage gain of the amplifier will be reduced of the signal frequency. So voltage gain, when we have used the negative feedback, the voltage gain is reduced, we know it. So emitter floor is a dash current feedback circuit. So emitter floor is a case of negative feedback circuit. So if you have see the circuit diagram of negative emitter floor, so this emitter floor is a negative current feedback circuit. So question number D, when negative current feedback is applied to an amplifier, its input impedance is increases. When negative current feedback is applied to an amplifier, the input impedance of the circuit is increases. So the common mode voltage gain is dash than the differential voltage gain. So the common mode voltage gain is smaller than the differential voltage gain, because in common mode voltage gain there is almost zero difference, so voltage gain will be smaller. An operational amplifier, a differentiator, the feedback component used is a resistor. So if you have see the inverting and non-inverting operational amplifier, a feedback resistor is used. So that is the feedback component is used is resistor. So next, in wine bridge oscillator, frequency of the oscillator can be easily changed by bearing 2 capacitor or 2 resistor, or simultaneously by changing 2 capacitor or resistor, because this is the resonant frequencies formula for the wine bridge oscillator. Here 2 resistor and 2 capacitor are there. If you change resistor or if you change only capacitors, then only frequency will be vary, or we can change both resistor and capacitors, then also the frequency will vary. So in crystal oscillator, the parallel resonant frequency f of p is written as f of p equal to 1 by pi root over c plus capacitor plus crystal capacitor value and divided by capacitor plus inductor into capacitor crystal capacitor values. So this is the formula for the parallel resonant frequency in crystal oscillator. So an stable multivibrator, often called as a free running multivibrator. A stable multivibrator is automatically off in on, so that's why it is called a free running multivibrator. Sweep signal generator is used horizontal deflection plate assembly of the CR. So the answer is horizontal. So question number 2. First question, true or false? Positive feedback increase distortion and instability. Yes, this statement is right. When you have used the positive feedback, the distortion will be increased and the system will be not stable. It will be in unstable conditions. Feedback is will be increases. Emitter follower have high voltage gain. Emitter follower is a low voltage gain. It is less than 1. So the values will be, it is less than unity or less than 1. So these values will be 0.08 to 0.99. So the voltage gain of voltage follower is unity. Yes, this statement is true. Voltage gain means whatever voltage will be given in the so it is will be unity. So the voltage gain of all operational amplifier remain constant over a wide range of frequency. This is false. The inverting amplifier provides constant current gain. So this statement is also false, because the current gain is not constant in the inverting amplifier. It depends on the feedback resistance and input resistance values. When a differential amplifier is operated single-ended, one input is grounded and signal is applied to the other end. Yes, this statement is true. In phase oscillator, the total phase shift produced by the RC network is 270. This statement is true, false, because one RC will be phase shifted 60 degrees. So 3 phase shift degrees are there in phase shift oscillator. So total phase shift will be 180 degree. So this statement is false. The multivibrator which generates square wave of its own is monostable multivibrator. This statement is false. The multivibrator which not generate square wave. Here it is given generate square wave. It is not generate. So a sweep signal generator produces square wave. This statement is also true, because a sweep signal always produces high frequency short waves. The silicon dioxide layer, that is SiO2 layer, is a IC act as an insulator. Yes, the silicon dioxide in an IC act as an insulator. Question number 3. Choose the correct answer. In order to obtain good gain stability in a negative feedback amplifier, MB equal to 1, A of B, M of B greater than 1, AB, M of B less than equal to 1. So the correct statement is A of M of B greater than equal to be 1. So the op-amp can amplify AC signal, DC signal, or AC and DC. Op-amp is a high voltage gain, so it has a high voltage gain signal. So that's why it can amplify both AC and DC signal. A certain non-inverting amplifier has Ri of 1 km and Rf is 10 km. So the closed loop voltage gain will be 100 or 10,000, 1 lakh, 101, 100. It will be answer will be 1. If we use the non-inverting formula, so you will be get this 1 by 1. In Colpit oscillator, feedback is obtained by magnetic induction by Tickle coil by from the center of the split capacitor. From the center of the split capacitor, the Colpit oscillator feedback is obtained, because from the capacitor, if you remember the diagram of the Colpit oscillator, from the central tip we are calculating the feedback. So next question is, the most popular IC type is thin film, thick film, hybrid, monolithic. So most popular ICs is monolithic film. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video, and also press the bell icon to get the notification whenever new videos is proposed. So I request my student, please share with your friends who are studying diploma in electronics and telecommunication engineering in different polytechnics of Assam, because this question paper as the solution will be mostly help to you for your examinations. So thank you and